Hey guys, welcome to day number 13 of the 20 days to your 2020 e-commerce vision. Super excited to be with you today. What we're going to talk about is UPCs. You know, I had someone message me today or not today, but a few days ago, and they were like, Becky, I'm trying to list something on Amazon and I'm using a UPC code that was like from 2014, 2015. I'm like, you can't do that, right? You cannot do that. So first of all, if you don't know what a UPC code is, it is the Universal Product Code. And on every let me see, I got a product here. Let me see if I can cover some of this hot mess up. This is the UPC code right there, right? And look, this is a consumable. I love consumables. So this is that's a UPC code, and that's what you can actually use to list products on Amazon. There are other things that you can use to list products on Amazon. One would be the ISBN, or the International Standard Book Number. And for every book, actually this is down here is a UPC code, and there's also the ISBN, or International Standard Book Number, here too. So this is John Maxwell, one of my favorites, Attitude 101. If you haven't read it, check it out because it's really, really, really good. So far in this challenge, we have talked about the 6 business models that you can use. We've talked about your mindset. We've talked about the 2 types of Amazon sellers. We've talked about how to open an Amazon account. And then the next thing that you need is a UPC code or an ISBN. You can also use EAN, which is a European article number, or GTINs, which we're not going to talk about in this video, but the FN SKU is the Fulfillment Network Stock Keeping Unit, and this is a unique number that is given by Amazon. Amazon assigns the FN SKU, and like here's one right here. This is what it looks like. It's just a barcode that they can scan once they get it internally. It's about a 10-digit number. It usually starts with like XOO. And literally, if you were going to mail this book in, you would take this sticker. And look, I printed these. Let me show you here. On Avery Labels 8160. Avery 8160. So there's 30 1-inch by 2 5/8 inch labels, Avery 8160, on this one right here. And literally what you do is you take this label, you peel it off just like this, and you're going to cover the entire UPC code so that when Amazon receives this item, they're going to scan this number and not the UPC code and not the ISBN. But you need to make sure that it's completely covered, all of the ISBN and all of the UPC code. And so that is how simple it is to ship an item into Amazon. So join me tomorrow. Tomorrow's Christmas Day. If you're not available, you can definitely catch the replay. I so look forward to doing these little tidbits so that you will be able to propel yourself forward into the 2020, right? Into year 2020. It's going to be like tomorrow's Christmas, so only 7 more days, and then it's going to be the new year. So hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 14. Bye. Remember to sell